have lots of clients who are trying to be successful with file analytics. And it isn't one of these areas where there's obvious best practices or one way to succeed. And at Doculabs, we break it into three possibilities. One, we might call the Cadillac version, so whole hog, best of breed, no limitations on money or resources. The opposite end of that is what we might call the Yugo Model, which is we've got really constrained funds, really constrained resources, maybe some technology constraints, but we still want to make progress. And then what we might call the Honda Accord or Honda Civic model. So something between the two where we've got some freedom to move, some support, but also some constraints. In this video, I'd like to quickly talk about the Cadillac approach, right? The one that maybe some of us would be lucky enough to have. So for this, typically, we're going to be getting top-of-the-line file analytics software, which typically will combine not only robust file analytics, meaning regular expressions, wrapper metadata, out of the box rule sets built in for things like social security number, credit cards, financial statements, so I don't have to write those myself, but also maybe a little bit of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. It'll have great dashboards built in, and probably also some migration capabilities to take the results of that file analytics and act on it, whether that's purging it, changing its metadata, moving it, or some combination of all three. Typically, it's going to have a great UI, user interface, great user experience, and it's going to be a one-stop shop. That's the Cadillac approach. And so if you can afford it, going all in on one of these top-tier tools can help you make wonderful progress if you've got the right approach. In the next video, we'll talk a little bit about what the Yugo approach might be and how you can be successful if you don't have a Cadillac budget.